Started applying later on my definitely like anything. I don't know what this winner's problem is actually. This is how these winners are making me look fat actually. And I'm very thin and I'm not having much food. These winners are doing all these nasty criminal activities for me, these organized criminals. Applying laser or onto my left kidney like anything to slow down so that water will retain and I will look fat. Started these criminals. बहुत इसी की वजह से काम नहीं कर सकते ऐसे हम लोग ऐसा मैंने जिंदगी में नहीं देखी who is found Gary believe with respect to outcome performance. Gary booked from Wednesday with results Saturday. You report to the when the battle for Delhi started, the Aam Aadmi Party seemed well in the lead, the BJP still sleeping and going. Now BJP machine has woken up and started to action. They're trying to mount a leg on action. But even if the arms split, can JP gain enough ground to actually surge ahead? Will the arms stay in front, even if it is with a reduced majority? That really is what's at play in this big battle for Delhi. On this week's edition of the Political Stock Exchange, we'll try to make sense of where the battle for Delhi stands at this moment. Allow me to introduce our guest for the broadcast. I begin with Yashwant Deshmukh, lead psychologist at Srivoga. We have Professor Sanjay Kumar, co-director, UPT CSDF, and Amitabh Tiwari, well-known political strategist and commentator. Sanjay Jha joining us, and I have Rajat Singh joining us on this broadcast. So let's get started. What I do is we'll take you through some data sets. Now, we're going to show opinion poll numbers. We can't tell you whether it's a unemployment has been amongst the most important issues throughout this period. At least 21% of the respondents in all the last four trackers say unemployment is important to them. Just slightly more important than unemployment in the national capital are civic issues. So issues to do with sewage, water, roads, that kind of stuff. Then women's security, then corruption, then inflation. Inflation is in fact the third most important issue, which is 18%. The issue with inflation is who do you blame for inflation? If inflation is important, you vote that against central government, you vote that against state government, and if civic issues are important, doesn't get held more against the state government than it does against the central government. But civic issues are really about what's happening in your locality. And unemployment also, you blame your local government for unemployment, you blame your national government for unemployment. And then there is development of the state, which doesn't seem to be a very significant issue. So civic issues coming in at 23%, unemployment at 21, and inflation at 18. With unemployment and inflation being two issues where it is debatable who voters pin those issues on. Civic issues very clearly would get pinned on the state government. The other two issues are really depending on the lens the voters see these from. That being said, let me go across for opening comments to our panel of guests joining us on this broadcast. I'll start with Sanjay Kumar. Praveen Kumar, what's your sense at this moment about where the battle for Delhi stands? And if the pre-voter data says that these are the most important issues, how would you be decoding or trying to interpret the data if you were looking at it statute?
If we look at the data in a comparative perspective, Rahul, when surveys of similar kind were done in other states, unemployment was a much higher number. If I'm talking about the